EVM, it takes 50 minutes. It's going to take hours on end for us to tally. For that reason, they went to Indian Statistical Institute, Chennai Mathematical Institute, and IIT Chennai. They devised a mathematical formula, and they said not more than 2% of VVPATs should be tallied with EVMs to give you a fair amount of statistical analysis and authenticity that everything is hunky-dory, which is what was agreed by Supreme Court, 2%. Now 118 crore people have cast their vote since VVPAT came in. Not a single complaint has been upheld as being true. Not one. ये लोग मजाक बना रहे हैं, इनको साइंस का आता पता है नहीं, घूमते फिरते पान खाते चले आते हैं और 100% टेलिंग होगी तो ये 1 साल लगेगा इलेक्शन के रिजल्ट्स आने में। पर ये क्यों डर रहे हैं इतना? इसलिए डर रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस का, अगर बीजेपी का स्लोगन है आपकी बार 400 पार, कांग्रेस का आपकी बार 40 पार।
Okay, just allow me. First of all, Anand, I understand you're very good in biology, but certainly astrophysics is not your strong point. Suddenly, sorry.
Strong point.
अरे भैया, अरे bro, you talk or I'll talk. अभी आप बीच में बोलोगे.
I thought you're a lawyer. When did you become an astrophysicist?
Yeah, I'm not, but he definitely is not his strong point. Now let me just.
No, but then that doesn't mean that it's your strong point. And you're castigating him on astrophysics as if you're an astrophysicist.
Of course, but can I give the answer?
नहीं कमाल है भाई. एक तुम्हारी.
आप जवाब. Let your viewers get the answer. He's made
because
some
you're an astrophysicist.
No, I'm not an astrophysicist. Since he's raised it, allow me. Why do you have to defend something that's wrong? Allow me to make the answer. One. Now let's leave that out now because now that'll be a waste of time. Now let me come to the straight issue. Anand, by his own admission, says, as the Election Commission says, it'll take us multiple hours to calculate all VVPATs and EVMs. You know how much time it'll take? 1 day. 1 day. Now what Anand is saying is, no, 1 day is too much in a democracy of India to tally everything. Now what is the solution for that? You also have machines, barcode scanners that can scan your VVPAT with your EVM, which you can do as you do in all sort of malls where you have machines that tally your bill. You can use scanners. You don't want to do it. You don't want the scanning to happen. You don't want to spend 1 day to check 100% tallying.
No, what do you mean by what do you mean by you don't want to do it? What do you mean? You and your government have been in power. You didn't do it. Why do you want the BJP to do it? Why do you want the election? No, you.
आपको नहीं चाहिए आंसर. You don't want your viewers to know.
आपके पास आंसर नहीं है. आंसर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास है. आप सोचते हैं कि आपके पास आंसर है. Nalin Kohli.
This is not fair.
Nalin Kohli.
You gave Anand a free run to spread lies about the EVMs.
I'm sorry. No, you cannot make that charge at me.
Of course.
I have given you more time than I have given Anand Ranganathan, and I will decide. I will decide on this.
You're not allowing me to answer.
Nalin Kohli. This is not a rally. This is not a rally.
No. Let the viewers of Times now know
Nalin Kohli.
Misleading and the answers are not coming.
Nalin Kohli, do you think it will take only 1 day to
1 day.
Okay.
1 day
Nalin Kohli, is there any proof that there will be only 1 day? Tehseen, why don't you conduct the show?
No, I think Navika ji, see, in fairness to Tehseen, and we have to be fair to him, he after all is following the magic wand of his leader or the leader he admires, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is capable of everything. He can convert a potato into sona, gold. यहाँ से आलू डालो, वहाँ से सोना निकलेगा. That's his court, not mine.
Actually, that was Modi ji.
And this is Mr. Rahul Gandhi says, क्या चुटकी में ऐसा सब कुछ हो जाएगा? For him, everything is like a game. Life is far more serious than that.